What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful dish of sweet and sour chicken. This was requested in my comment section and your girl is here to deliver today. Alright foodies, so let's go through the ingredients. I'm going to be using some bell pepper. I have red, green, yellow, and I'm also going to be using onion. For seasonings, I'm going to be using some all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, house blend, ground black pepper, pinch of salt, smoked paprika. For my butter now, this is all-purpose flour and the cornstarch. And to mix that up, I have some cold water here. I did get this water from the fridge. It's very cold. And for my sauce, here I have ketchup, vinegar, and white sugar. Alright, and the star of the dish, the chicken. So guys, I'll be sure to list the correct measurement of everything I used in the description box. So be sure to check that out, guys. Be sure to check the description box. Alright. So first thing first, we're gonna season up the chicken. I'm going in with my all-purpose. Now the chicken seasoning, the complete, my black pepper. I'm going to add like half of the amount of salt. I will go back if it needs more. I'm gonna add all of my paprika. Guys, the smoked paprika, give it a buzz. So yes guys, now we're gonna just mix everything up. So this is what it's looking like, guys. Now I'm just gonna put a plate over it and allow it to marinate for about 20 minutes. And yeah, so while the chicken is marinating, guys, we're gonna just push this to the side and we're gonna work on our peppers, right? All right guys, so when we're cutting these, you want to cut them in chunks. So like this now, cut this in half, then another half, then like that. So you see the pieces, it's like chunks, right? Now for the onion, I'm gonna cut it in half. Same procedure. Then I'm just gonna open them up. So I'm just gonna use half of the amount of this onion. I won't be using the remainder of it. Alright, so just these ones that I cut up right here. We're just opening them up. Now for our sauce, guys, I did just dump the vinegar, the ketchup, and the sugar in there. I did mix it. So now I'm just gonna mix everything together and just get it combined, you know. Now for our butter, guys, I have the flour right here and the cornstarch. Cornstarch is a little bit whiter than the flour, so you can see them both. And I have the cold water here. So I'm just gonna like throw some cold water in the flour. You wanna mix this well, guys. So after pouring the cold water in, you just wanna mix. Mix it however way you wanna mix it. Just make sure that the water and the flour is combined and you have a thick enough consistency, not too thick, not too runny. So this is our butter, guys. Got a little lumps in there, we're still working on that. Alright, this looks like it. So this is the consistency. And we're gonna let it sit here. While it's sitting, guys, while the chicken is marinating, it will get a little bit thicker. So this consistency is fine, being that we're gonna let it sit. Alright, so we'll come back when the chicken is finished and get this ball rolling. So our chicken is marinated, guys. Yep. And what we're gonna do now is just basically throw the butter over the chicken. Alright. Now that our butter is on our chicken, you want to just mix it up. Get the butter coated on every piece of the chicken. Every piece. Alright. You could go in and add the remainder while you're doing that. And just coat your chicken. Alright. So our chicken is coated. Let's get to frying these chicken now, right? Beautifully coated. This is what you want. This is what it should look like. Okay. Alright guys, so here on my stove I have a wok with a decent amount of oil. You need just enough oil for the chicken pieces to like float around. You know, we're gonna be frying them on medium. We don't want to fry them too high because you're gonna be burning easily and the inside is not cooked. Alright, so we're gonna heat up this oil and add the chicken in. Guys, so our oil is ready and we're just gonna add the chicken in. Remember, we don't want the oil to be too hot so they burn. As long as it's bubbling up, that's fine. So all the pieces are in the pot, guys. They're frying nicely. Yes. Guys, the chicken are fried. The oil is bubbling up because it's coconut oil. And yeah, as you can see, they're golden brown. And we're just gonna remove them from the pot. Alright. So this is the chicken, guys, after it's fried and drained. And yeah, I snuck out a couple pieces, but let's carry on. So on my stove right here, guys, I have a clean pot. I'm just spraying it with some canola oil just to kind of like saute up my veg before I add in my sauce. All right, so I'm just adding my veggies now. Everything, my onion, my bell peppers. Yes, beautiful. Listen, guys, I eat with my eyes and I love, love, love a colorful dish. And right now, this is looking hella good. These veggies look hella good right now in this pot. So you want to just like swirl them around, guys, kind of get some saute on these veg. So just saute them off in the pot before you add the sauce. So we're just basically getting a little cook on them before putting them in the sauce because they're so big, guys. So we want to start this off first before adding the sauce to it, you know. Alright, so now I'm going to add my sweet and sour sauce made from our ketchup and vinegar and sugar. Yes, it's a bit thick, guys. I will be rinsing this with some water. So I've added some water to my container, guys, just a tad bit, just to kind of like lighten up the sauce a bit. And I added it to the pot, and now we're gonna just give it a good little stir. So you just want to give it a good little stir so the sauce can be coated on all of those veggies in the pot. Yes. And yeah, have your heat on medium, guys. This will burn. You don't want it to burn, so have your heat on medium low, okay? And keep stirring that pot. So our pot has come to this rapid bubble, guys, and now you know it's time to add in your chicken. Remember, guys, the chicken is already fried. You don't need to overcook this in the sauce, okay? Now I'm just adding in my chicken, guys, and then I'm going to just coat it. So yes, coat every piece of that chicken with the sauce. You don't want to leave no chicken uncoated. Guys, it's smelling so good. You know why? Because our chicken is seasoned nicely, and when the chicken hit the sauce, it's just a different type of aroma going on in this kitchen. So coat your chicken, guys, and let's get ready to devour this beautiful dish. Look at that. How amazing does that look? So as you can see, guys, I bring the heat back up just like a tad bit, and I'm just gonna simmer this for 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes, we're ready to serve, I promise you. And our chicken is ready, guys. I'm just sprinkling some sesame seeds on top. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to devour this. Guys, don't forget to comment under my videos what type of videos you want to see me do, what recipes you want to see me create or recreate. And yeah, I'm here to deliver. And if you made it to the end of this video, guys, you are a real supporter. Don't forget to like up the video. Don't forget to share up the video. Don't forget to comment on the video. Guys, if you're watching and you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, so guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next upload. Bye.